Hi everyone! Again, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today's video, meron na naman tayong isang online loan na gawan natin ng ating review. Itong online loan app na ito, parang nakita ko siya na medyo maganda kasi nag-offer sila ng longer terms. Pero I think pagdating sa interest rate and processing fee, doon minsan medyo nagkakatalo. Doon minsan nagkakaroon ng problema. Yan yung pag-uusapan natin ngayon, ay isang online lending na nag-offer ng loan sa mga borrower. And nalaman ko yung online lending na ito kasi yung mga previous video na ginawa natin sa ating YouTube channel or dito sa ating YouTube channel, may nag-comment about sa online lending na ito, na itong si Kiwico nga. And na-share nila yung experience nila, kung ano daw yung na-experience nila nung trinay nila itong si Kiwico. And may mga nagtatanong din kasi sa ating Facebook group at may mga nagme-message sa akin kung ano nga daw yung meron kay Kiwico online lending. Kaya trinay ko na i-search at ito yung i-share ko sa inyo ngayon. And by the way pala, sa mga nagtatanong sa akin, sa mga nagme-message kung nag-a-assist pa ako ng mga nag-apply ng loan sa mga bangko. At meron pa yung mga nagsisend ng kanilang mga requirements sa ating email address. At gusto ko lang sabihin sa lahat na as of now po kasi hindi pa muna ako nag-a-assist ng mga client na gustong mag-apply ng loan sa mga bangko kasi nga kagaya nung post ko before or nung last week na kapapanganak lang natin and ayun, hindi pa ho tayo ganun kalakas para mag-asikaso ng mga requirements. And syempre, medyo nagbisi-bisihan din ang lola nyo ngayon. So, by the way, ang ginagawa ko lang ngayon ay nag-share ng mga possible ng mga bangko na nag-offer ng loan na may mababang interest rate at mabilis yung process, at nagbibigay din tayo ng reviews natin sa mga iba't ibang online lending para yung mga gustong mag-apply ng loan, at least magkaroon kayo ng idea bago nyo itry yung isang online lending or yung isang bangko para nga hindi masayang yung oras natin. By the way, ang topic nga natin ay itong si Kiwico, yung loan review natin. Ano nga ba yung meron kay Kiwico? Itong company na Kiwico Lending, isang lending platform here in the Philippines with a service that is completely online. And Kiwico Loan operates its service fully automated and without the help of a human operator. At itong si Kiwico, ayon sa research na ginawa natin, ay registered ho sila sa SEC or SEC. Meron silang number na CS2019187002 and Certificate of Authority number 3169. Registered ho itong si Kiwico sa SEC or Securities and Exchange Commission. And Kiwico provide these certificates to show their proof of legitimacy. Okay? Gusto nyo i-search itong si Kiwico, pwede nyo siyang matignan or pwede nyo tingnan yung website nila, yung kiwico.ph. Okay? At meron din silang email. Kung may mga katanungan tayo, pwede ho tayong mag-send ng message natin dito sa email nila na support@kiwico.ph. Itong si Kiwico, available sila 24/7 even on holidays and non-working days. Pwede pa rin tayong makapag-message sa kanila. At meron silang customer service na available ho every 9 o'clock AM to 6 o'clock PM. Pag-usapan natin ngayon yung Kiwico loan feature. Itong si Kiwico, meron silang loanable amount na ang minimum ay 1,000 at ang maximum ay 25,000 pesos. If you're a first-time client, you can't avail of that maximum loan amount yet. For Kiwico will set a credit limit to you. To increase your credit limit and a loan larger amount, you only need to pay on time. Sa first loan nyo, kay Kiwico, sila yung magsiset kung magkano ba yung pwede mong ma-loan sa kanila. Pero kapag maganda naman yung credit standing natin kay Kiwico, mag-increase yung loanable amount. Hanggang 25,000 yung maximum na pwede nyong ma-loan kay Kiwico. Kiwico will automatically increase your available loanable amount after the payment of the previous one, but only if you will set a good credit history record by paying on time. Para tumaas yung credit limit natin kay Kiwico, kailangan maganda yung credit history natin, or kapag nag-loan ka sa kanila sa unang loan mo, kailangan bayaran mo on or before yung due date para mabilis yung pagtaas ng credit limit natin na ibigay ni Kiwico. Share ko lang yung isang comment kasi sa YouTube channel natin. Ang sabi niya, kapag first time mo daw pala na mag-loan kay KiwiCo, ang unang inaaprubahan nila ay 500 pesos. And nagtaka lang din daw siya kasi binigay nila na terms sa kanya ay parang 2 months, pero sobrang malaki yung interest and processing fee kasi yung 500 na nahiram niya kay KiwiCo, yung kailangan niyang bayaran after 2 months or doon sa due date na binigay ni KiwiCo ay nagdoble. So, parang naging 1,000 something. 1,100, parang ganoon. So, parang nagdoble yung 500 pesos na inutang niya. Pero, ang kinagandahan lang kasi, medyo longer yung terms na ino-offer nila. Unlike nga sa ibang online loan app na nag-offer lang ng 7 days na terms. Yun yung kinaganda ni KiwiCo, medyo longer terms, pero yun nga, mataas pa rin yung interest rate and processing fee kasi na-doble yung loan niya na 500. So, isang review na na-comment nung isang borrower doon sa, or dito sa YouTube channel, sa mga videos na na-upload ko. Itong si KiwiCo, meron silang minimum terms na 60 days and yung maximum naman daw nila ay 180 days. And if you are a first-time borrower, KiwiCo will only approve you with a maximum loan terms of 60 days. In comparison, repeat borrowers will have the advantage of availing of the maximum loan terms of 180 days. Kapag first time nga daw natin na borrower or kapag first time mo na mangutang kay KiwiCo, hanggang 60 days lang yung binibigay nila na terms. Pero kapag pangalawang loan mo na sa kanila, pangatlo, magkaroon ka ng chance na maka-avail doon sa terms nila na 180 days. Okay? And KiwiCo loan interest rate, fees, and charges. KiwiCo has an interest rate of 0.16% per day. And note interest rate may change depending on the approved loan amount and tenure. KiwiCo provided a loan calculator on their website where you can select your desired amount and loan tenure by moving the circle button. Then you can see at the bottom the breakdown information of your loan like the payment date and total repayment. Paano tayo maging eligible na makakuha ng loan kay KiwiCo? To be eligible for the KiwiCo loan offer, kailangan nating ma-meet itong qualifications ni KiwiCo. Una, you must be a Filipino citizen currently living here in the Philippines. Kailangan daw ho Filipino citizen at naninirahan tayo dito sa Pilipinas. This offer is not available for OFWs. Hindi daw ho pwede sa mga OFW. Kailangan din yung edad natin must be at least 20 years old and not older than 55 years old. Your mobile number must be active and not blocked. You must be registered on the KiwiCo website. Must have a bank account for disbursement. Optional naman ito, but much better if you have. Ito naman yung mga requirements ni KiwiCo. When you apply at KiwiCo, you only need to present the following. 1 valid government-issued ID. Ano nga ba yung mga valid government-issued ID? Yung kagaya ni SSS ID, yung UMID ID, passport ID, driver's license, and yung postal ID. Pero kasi, when you look at KiwiCo loan application, it looks like they only accept SSS ID as a valid ID. During loan application, it would also help if you can present supporting documents like the following. Itong payslip, yung COE, ITR, company ID, or yung DTI if self-employed. And although these requirements are optional, providing this will give you a higher chance of approval. All repeat borrowers will have the benefits of being automatically approved. No need to fill up the form and send requirements. Paano nga ba mag-apply ng loan sa online lending na ito? To apply for KiwiCo loan, you don't need to download an app. You only need to visit their website, prepare your gadget, and make sure you have a stable connection to avoid network errors and interruptions. Hindi natin kailangan ng mag-download ng app. Doon lang tayo sa Google and i-search lang natin yung website nitong si KiwiCo. And yun, pwede na ho tayong mag-apply. So, ilalagay ko na lang din sa description below yung link ni KiwiCo. Pero I think nabanggit ko na kanina yung kiwico.ph. Search nyo lang siya sa Google at makikita nyo. Merong 3 step kung paano mag-apply ng loan sa KiwiCo. Number 1, fill in the application form. Here, you will input personal information like your name, birthday, SSS number, email, and phone number. You will also input your confirmation number and money transfer information. Pangalawa, wait for approval. After the registration and sending of your loan application, you will receive an SMS with a decision if your loan application is approved or rejected. At step 3, receive your money. If your loan application is approved, Kiwico will send you your code via SMS. Simply enter the code to confirm the contract. After confirming the contract, Kiwico will transfer the money to your bank account within 60 minutes. Ang maganda dito ay mabilis lang yung pag-transfer nila ng loan proceeds kapag naaprubahan kayo. Kasi within 60 minutes lang, unlike kapag mag-loan tayo sa mga bangko, inaabot yan ng araw bago pwedeng makuha yung loan proceed. During filling up of loan application, make sure you answer honestly and enter correct, valid, and accurate information. Any invalid or incomplete information may result in the rejection of your application. Kailangan kapag mag-apply kayo ng loan kay Kiwico, dapat tama yung mga nilalagay natin na information. If your loan application is approved, but you haven't confirmed the contract yet by entering the code Kiwico sent, then you have an option to cancel the loan application. But if you have already confirmed the contract, then you can't go back and cancel the loan application. Note, make sure you double check the information you enter to avoid future problems. As we have said earlier, after the approval and after you enter the code to confirm the loan contract, Kiwico will send your cash directly to your account. However, crediting the fund may take some time. Transaction may take up to 2 days depending on the receiving bank you choose. You can receive the fund during working hours from 8 o'clock a.m. to 4 o'clock p.m. weekdays. And if your loan application got approved during the night, you would receive your money tomorrow morning. Kapag yung loan nyo ay naaprubahan siya ng gabi, yung loan proceeds ay matatanggap nyo siya sa umaga or next day. If your loan application got approved during weekends, you can receive your cash on the next working day, which is Monday. Halimbawa daw, yung loan application nyo ay naaprubahan siya during weekends like Saturday and Sunday, yung loan proceeds ay matatanggap niya siya ng Monday. Aside from bank as a disbursement mode, Kiwico also has an option to cash out on Cebuana cash pickups where transactions of funds will not take more than 24 hours. Maliban doon sa bank na disbursement mode, pwede nyo rin i-cash out yung loan proceeds sa Cebuana. During filling up the information on your disbursement, it is important always to double check the information you enter. An incorrect word or even a single letter may cause a big problem like not receiving the money even though your loan application got approved, which would be a waste. If this will happen, the money will return to Kiwico within 2 weeks and your loan will be cancelled. In this case, you need to apply again and fill up a new application. Okay? And to avoid such scenario, be mindful and always check the information you enter before proceeding with the loan. Saan ba pwedeng bayaran yung loan nyo sa Kiwico kapag halimbawa na aprubahan? You can repay via bank or cash. If you want to pay via bank card, just follow this step. Go to Kiwico website and click the pay button. Make sure you have signed in at the website to see your payment details and loan information. Number 2, enter your card details. Kailangan ilagay natin yung card number, yung expiry date, and yung card owner. And 3-digit code on the back of the card kapag ang gusto mong gamitin na magbayad ay via bank card. Number 3, enter the SMS confirmation code Kiwico sent to your number. If you want to pay via cash naman, just follow this step on your profile at Kiwico website. Click the pay button. Pangalawa, click bank transfer. Pangatlo, after this, bank details will appear in a new window and you need to fill in the information. You can pay at any nearby branch of your chosen bank. Note, since bank transfer may take up to 5 days, you must send proof of payment with the transaction date. You can email your proof of payment at Kiwico email provided above. It would be best if you did this to avoid inconvenience or to prevent delays in your repayment. Okay. Yung email address ni Kiwico ay support@kiwico.ph at yung website naman nila ay kiwico.ph. Ito siya. So, yun, if in case na gusto nyong i-browse pa, or may mga katanungan pa na hindi nasagot sa video na ito, pwede nyong i-search nga itong si kiviko.ph sa Google. Ayun lang naman, sana may natutunan na naman kayo sa video na ito. Anyway, thank you for watching and please don't forget to click the subscribe button. Please like this video and kindly share to your friend na rin. Maging sa mga Facebook account nyo or sa Facebook group na sinalihan nyo. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye!